Hello, we are the Savchenko family, official independent representatives of Atomy in the United States. We have a short message for you. If you would like to shop for high-quality products for your health, family, and home, we would like to invite you to join online Atomy shopping mall. Join Atomy for free. No fees, no auto ships, no buying inventory every month, and no selling. Atomy is an online shopping mall that works all over the world, in North America, in Asia Pacific, in Europe, and Central and South America. To join Atomy, a person needs a referral from an Atomy partner. If you don't know who to ask, please write to us. You may find our contact information in the description of this video. After your free registration with us, we will send you a link for step-by-step video how to place your first order with Atomy. Hello, my name is Lydia Savchenko, and today I will tell you how to open a free online account in Atomy. We're going to start with the first step. You receive the email or a text message with the registration link. You click on that. This link works only for 10 minutes. You ended up on this page. It says, "Welcome to Atomy." So for your registration, you choose for USA residents on the left. So you click join. Here's the agreement. Basically, it says that it's online shopping mall. It's free and you use it when you want to shop. You are not eligible to sell any products or open the outside stores with these products. Also, husband and wife has same account. All the different privacy and security terms and conditions, you're welcome to read it. So you click on each box and click next. After that, you need to verify your mobile device. So on the first line, you write your cell phone number and send text. On the top, you see the verification code has been sent. Please enter within 10 minutes and click Authenticate tab. So you click OK. And now you can check your phone. You're supposed to receive 6-digit number and click Authenticate. It says successfully verified. Please proceed next step. OK. And click next. So on this page, you will enter your information for free online shopping account. You must enter the legal name like it's on your social security card. You don't need to enter your social security number, just the legal name. Enter the correct date of birth. And if it's not true information, then the account will be suspended. So you confirm that and you proceed with all your information. So it's first name, last name, sex, date of birth. Then you need to make up a password, and there's a guest password. I'm going to go through all this with you just in a second. Then you need to put your address, city, state, zip code, and email address. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, I put Mary Grace, female. To put the date of birth, you need to first choose the year. So you choose the year, 1979, September 1st. Here, you need to make up password. It has to be a combination of letters, numbers, and a special character. So it's up to you. You can make from 8 to 14 characters. You put it on this line here. And also you have to re-enter the password down here. So your password is up here and down here. Now we move to guest password. What is guest password? Guest password is when you have an online shopping mall account and you are eligible to shop, you have some relatives or friends that would like to find out more about Atomy. In order to do that, you can invite them to your page. You can give them your ID, but the guest password. So they come to your page as a guest. So they don't see your orders. They don't see any of your personal information. They just can come and look at the products as guests. So guest password is same for all of our partners in Atomy here in our group. So we made it this way. So it's Atomy 1 SAV, Savchenko. So we have a Savchenko group. And same here, we re-enter it. So Atomy 1 SAV. Now the address. You don't have to put the telephone number here. Just ignore that. Or if you have a home phone number, you can put it there. Your mobile number is already in here because we had verification. And now we have to put the address. Okay, next step is your email address. Email address, as you can see here, it's divided in 2 different lines. So the first part of your email, you put in this box, then you have @ in the middle, and then you select if it's a Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, Live, and so on. If you have a business email or something like that, you can just click type and just manually put your email here. Okay, after you put all the information, you just glance and check if everything right, and you click next. On the next page, it's your sponsor page. It has your sponsor ID, and there is a sponsor name. You cannot change any of those. And usually there is a center name already here. If it does not come up, I'll tell you how to do it. So you click change, and on the top box, you put A220 search, and that would be a Blessing Atomy Center. You click, and all correct here. We proceed and click next. So this is the information you entered. So it's your first name, last name, date of birth, your address, your email, and on the bottom there's a sponsor information. You don't worry about that at all. We gave you the sponsor number, so you don't worry about that. Everything is correct. So just check your information and click done. After that, you will see congratulations, welcome to Atomy. You see your ID number. It's your personal ID number and your password that you just made. So if you will write it down somewhere, your ID and your password to remember, because this is the only time you will be given this information. You also will receive the email from the company, but it will include your ID, but it will not include your password. So it's good to write it down to remember. So congratulations that you became Atomy member, and now you will be able to use the amazing products. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.